Hi, I'm Joe Fifer, President and CEO of HFMA. Welcome back to our web video series. This month, I'm talking about patient safety and quality of care in the era of value-based payment. Under fee-for-service, there's little in the way of direct incentives for improving patient safety and quality. However, hospitals and physicians devote considerable time and effort to these things because they want patients to be safe and they want to deliver high-quality care. It's the right thing to do. That said, we also know through various studies and public data that the need for improved quality and a safer healthcare system is critical. As value-based payment takes hold, the financial incentives for improving quality and safety will be better aligned and will be baked into payment structures. The incentives will go way beyond the penalties for hospital-acquired conditions and readmissions that are in place now. Hardly. The payment structure is just the beginning. Value-based payment creates more opportunities for improving quality and safety, but people need to change the way they work together to bring those opportunities to fruition. It takes a lot of work to identify the safety and quality issues that take priority in an organization, match those up with resources, launch initiatives, and then track performance. And that work is never really done. When you're talking about safety and quality, there is always a higher bar to reach. Until now, safety and quality improvement work has mostly been done by clinicians. But going forward, finance leaders can work more closely with clinical leaders to ensure that the organization is getting the most bang for its buck. We have a lot to offer the process. We're analytical. We understand data and the ability to convert data into process change. But close, collaborative working relationships between finance and clinical leaders are not going to develop just because the payment incentives allow it. People have to want to change, and the organizational culture has to support it. You can start by reconnecting with the reasons you went into the healthcare field. Healthcare leaders have many different skill sets and perspectives, but they tend to have one thing in common. They went into this field out of a genuine desire to improve people's lives. Complying with regulations usually doesn't tap into that basic motivation. But making healthcare safer and improving quality of care does. When you have a chance to do work that is satisfying to you personally and professionally, and that benefits both your organization and your community, that's a win-win. That's the kind of work you want to make time for. You can start by simply opening a dialogue about quality and safety with your clinical colleagues. They will welcome the opportunity. It's this kind of agenda, quite frankly, that makes healthcare finance different from any other financial role in business. The opportunity to make a difference in people's lives. It's that important. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next month.